Friends, in today's short analysis video, we're going to discuss on Mastercard Incorporated stock. And friends, I just want to update you that this will be my follow-up video exactly 2 months before I had posted a video on this stock on my YouTube channel. If you want, you can go to the descriptions of this video and you will find the link where just exactly 2 months ago we had identified an rounding bottom pattern. This was a pattern we had identified a 2 month before, and we had given the target of this one. Before this massive upside move came, we had identified well in advance, my dear friends. If you don't have trust on me, then you can go to my channel and check for a Mastercard Incorporated video. And if you don't get on my channel, you can go the description of this video and you will find my previous analysis link video. Just click onto that, you will find the entire analysis where we had, before this big move came, we had identified, before this massive upside move stock had given, we had identified well in advance this breakout, and we had already posted on my channel. And my dear friends, stock market, it's in probability game. You will, if you are getting 7 to 80% of your target, and if you find something is negative, is getting trigger, then it's better time to book profit. So my dear friends, I just want to update you that we had captured a massive upside move right from the neckline till this area. So this is almost 70 to 75% our target achieve, and it's good time to book profit because there are multiple negative factors are getting ready to get trigger, and that will take the stock on the downside, and all your profit will get erode. So before your profit get blow up, it's better good time to book profit, my dear friends. Just because of 5 to 6% move, don't lose your entire profit which you had captured right from the bottom of the neckline till for till around $540 you had almost captured. So my dear friends, I just want to convey a simple message that just book your profit. And why I'm telling you to book the profit, that I will explain you on my lower time frame. My dear friends, let's go to a lower time frame, and I just want to update you that what's the reason behind I'm explaining you to book the profit. Because friends, this stock is currently on a verge of breakdown. This stock is currently on a verge of breakdown due to multiple negative factors trigger on the stock simultaneously, and as a result it gives opportunity to go short with this stock or to book the profit, or we can initiate a short selling positions with proper stop loss before a downside corrections get starts. And this stock is trading almost near to an important support level, and if that level get break along with multiple negative factors that have been already been materialized, then we could see a massive downside corrections, and that would allow us to capitalize an opportunity to short sell this stock, or you can book the profit before a big correction get trigger on the downside. And my dear friends, that's the reason I'm explaining you to book the profit. We are almost in a very good we are almost in a very handsome amount of money. So now this will be a right time to book profit. And now let's go to I will take you to the 4 hours time frame, and I will explain you why there is an opportunity to short sell this stock or book profit. Because my dear friends, if you see, there was a massive upside rally got triggered right from the bottom over here, and it came all the way in the form of upward sloping parallel channel. And as long as the stock was trading on the upper sloping parallel channel, the stock got triggered with back-to-back higher highs. If you would see over here, the first higher rise over here, the second higher rise, third higher rise, fourth, fifth, and the last high rise over here. And the moment this upper sloping parallel channel got broken down, got breaks on the downside, its higher highs shifted into lower lows, and this is in confirmation that we need to book the profit, or we can initiate a short selling if that important support level get breaks. So my dear friends, here we got almost a two negative signal. The upper sloping parallel channel got broken down on the downside, the first negative signal, and the second negative signal is lower higher highs shifted to lower lows. And my dear friends, even if you placed an even if you place an RSI indicators, you will be able to see a negative diversion over here. If you make a closer look over here, I will zoom out the chart. You can able to see there is a higher highs over here, but the same thing is miss out over here. And if this level get breakdown, then this negative RSI diversion going to pump a stock on the downside. It will dump the stock on the downside. So before this dumping process start, it's better to book the profit. And also, if someone good in short selling, then they can look this as an opportunity to short sell this stock. But once the level get breaks, then only you will need to short sell. Don't do premature trade. And my dear friends, here we will also discuss the chart pattern. Even if you see the chart pattern is also showing a negative bias. My dear friends, if you make a closer look here you will identify the triple top chart pattern, and triple top chart pattern is a negative pattern. My dear friends, the stock is emerging, the stock is making a triple top. And just a moment, I will make it more clear for you all. See, this is a triple top structure which we are able to see over here, and if this neckline get breaks, along there is an important support. Just below the neckline there is an important support. If this supports get break, then very soon you need to wait to initiate a short selling position. You need to wait below this second neckline to get break. The moment this stock will give you a close, the moment this stock will give you a close below $511, then very soon you will see this stock reaching towards 489 and then 484. But in the middle of in the journey towards the target, in the middle of the target there will be some support, so which we will mark in blue color. There is a possibility that stock will get break over here, and it may take support and it may bounce back to retest the neckline, and then again it will start the journey towards the target. So there could be a possibility that once this both neckline get break, the stock may come to a support near the blue line, and it may take support and it may take bounce, and it will come near to a neckline to retest, and then again it will break down from the neckline towards the downside to come to an initial target. So you have to keep your mindset ready that there is a possibility near to this area a bounce can come, so that you won't get afraid due to volatility you will face while going the targets, So my dear friends, this all kind of deep stock analysis only mentorship will give you. And my dear friends, the mentorships people are charging very high amount, but all that analysis, all stock specific deep analysis, you will get free of cost on my channel. All I want from you is to subscribe my channel and share with your family, friends, relatives, so it will it will give and motivate me, and I will prepare a more better content for you all. So my dear friends, there is a chances that stock is already preparing a triple top bottom, and if that triple top pattern get trigger on closing basis, if closing basis below 511, then very soon you will see this level. And my dear friends, the stop loss of the short seller will be above this level, and that will be 538. And my dear friends, I just also want to update you that this neckline, once it will get broken down on closing basis, this neckline it will act as a strong resistance because multiple negative factors got triggered over here. This is an area where we have seen the upper sloping parallel channel got broken down on the downside. This is a point where we have seen the higher highs shifted to lower lows, and this is an area where we have identified the negative diversion between the price action and the RSI indicator, and this is an area where we have seen the negative chart structure. Triple top is already almost complete. We are waiting for a confirmation to get break below this two neckline, and the moment we'll get a confirmation closing below the neckline, then there is a deep intensified downside move will come. And also I want to update you, don't do premature trade. I have seen the people only see the structure and they don't wait for an neckline to get break and they immediately go and simply short sell the stock. And if you do this, you will get into a trap. You have to wait for a neckline to get break. The moment a neckline will get break on closing basis below 511, then there is a high probability that you will see a massive downside move, my dear friends. And this is it. If you like my analysis, please give a thumbs up to my video and subscribe my channel, my friends. Thank you.